Hello UBC squad, welcome back to our UiPath bot channel. Today we are going to talk about very interesting and informative topic. With the help of BDD template, how to validate the automation jobs. Let's get deep dive into topic. Okay. So I have one process which is already available in Orchestrator. You can see that data recon. Okay. So now I got one new changes from the user. Okay. So there is some new logic needs to be added into the existing code. So based on the user requirement, have ha I have added new logic here. Okay, so this is the main code which is available in Orchestrator, right? So same code I open in Studio. There is some changes I made it here. Okay, you can see it. Basically, it will do some Excel manipulation. That's it. I will show the input file. You can see that first value and second value, offer one, offer two. So based on the user requirement, I have given these four columns, four values here. Bot will manipulate these values with these offers, two offers. Okay. Finally, it will write the result under the actual result column. Okay. So here, what needs to be done? I'm going to publish this new code. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to publish as process only. You can see that already 1.0.1. So now I'm going to upload two versions. Okay. Yeah, it's getting uploaded here. We'll see in the orchestrator. Just we will edit that. Yeah, now 1.0.1, right? Actually, it's get loading. Just we are publishing the new updated version code into the orchestrator. Okay, now we can see 1.0.2 version get uploaded. If I refresh here, you can see it's asking for the version update. Just edit that 1.02. Just updated the version. Then hit on save. That's it. Okay, now we can see the version get updated. Okay, so here the main thing, if this perfectly suitable for the real-time project, if this particular process belongs to any banking sector or any financial based, right? So in this kind of process, user will not share the sample input data for the testing purpose because of there is some confidential purpose, right? But whatever it is, from the user point of view and tester point of view, we need to make sure this updated code, whether it is working perfectly or not, it's going to cover all the business scenarios or not, right? So that is a main aim. Okay, for that. Okay, now our automation job has been published to the orchestrator. That is done. So for the validation purpose, we are going to utilize the BDD template. Basically, what it will do, like in the given block, as we discussed earlier, this is the basic things. Like you can see. So in the BDD demo sequence, I have given the three blocks: given, when, then. Okay, the given block, like we are going to give the input data, which means expected data. Okay, that is covered under the given block. That's it. Then when block. When block is always preferable for executing the main job. So in our previous session, I directly run the calculation XAML file. You can see that I used invoke for workflow activity. I just invoke this particular XAML. Here we have the multiple options. You can see under the when block, we can invoke XAML file, automation jobs, and coded workflow for the validation. Our ultimate aim is we need to run these three different categories. Okay, then we need to validate whether which is giving expected result or not. Okay, so just go with when block. So as we discussed, we are going to validate this process, right? Data recon. Okay, but in the BDD template, we invoke workflow activity. So I am going to delete that. Now in this when block, what needs to be done? Just we need to run the process and we need to wait until the execution has to be complete. Okay. For that, just you can execute the you can install the UiPath.persistence.activity, which will provide these activities. Just type start job. Okay, you can see that start job and get reference. Just drag here. Okay, so what this activity basically do now, you can see that we just need to give this process name data record. Go to the BDD template, give the process name. You can see data recon. The thing is, which is this studio is already mapped under this particular folder, shared test, right? So that's why it's automatically coming here. That's it. Just we need to choose the process name. Okay. Then in the job object, we need to create name process. Okay. Then drag one more activity. Wait for job and resume. Okay. So what it will do, this activity, it will just trigger the process in orchestrator. That's it. Then this activity, it will wait. Let's say this process will it take 2 minutes, 3 minutes based on the input, based on the processing time, it will take the time, right? So this activity will handle this scenario. Just pass the output of start job. You can see running process, right? Just place it. Okay, which is ready. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Given block is ready, when block is ready, then block. Just it will be validated. You can see that this main process, once the execution is getting completed, it will write the result under the actual result tab, right? Whatever it is based on these four values, it will do some manipulation. It will write the result under here. But same thing in the given block, what we did, bot will going to read the input file. Okay, input file is nothing but same file. Okay, it will filter with the TC001 ID. Okay, then it will get the proper line, the expected row value. Okay, then it will check. Already we defined the expected result for the testing purpose. So if we add these four values after manipulation, 2.5 is the exact result. Okay, so these expected result we are going to validate with the actual result from the bot execution. Okay, if this both actual result and expected result both is getting matched, yeah, the new enhancement is working fine into the existing code. There is no issue with the codes. We can push into the production. Got it? So without any risk, without using any production data, without we are taking any risk in the real-time data, right? So that is very trickiest way. So that is the reason to avoid this kind of situation, we can use this testing platform which is available in our UiPath test suite. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to run the main job. Just I will close this file. Yeah, it's get closed. So this is our script. In the validation sequence, just you can see. Again, it will read the bot output summary. Okay. Then it will fetch the actual result. Then it will compare expected result with actual result. That's it. Okay. I'm going to run the job for BDD demo. Just listen carefully what it will basically do. I will go to here, jobs. Just see that there is no process running. I'm going to put all. Okay. Now you can see automatically job has been executed. It's good. Yeah, where it is. Yeah, I can see automatically is get executed right from the studio with help of start job activity. Okay, still is get running until unless it will be in resume mode only. You can see resume. Okay, yeah. Now the execution get completed. Status also success, which means the output summary has been created successfully. Now you will have one question. Okay, the execution has been completed. Then you should be automatically move to the next stage, right? But this activity, you can see, yeah, this start job activity just it will trigger the process. This wait for job, it will just hold the process until the execution has to be complete. So if you push this particular XAML file into the orchestrator, by default, if the job has been completed, automatically it will get resumed. We don't, there is no manual intervention. But if you are going to run this script from the studio level, we need to manually resume this job. Okay. Yeah. So now this wait for job, this activity will get passed. Then it's went to this block. It will read the final output summary, assign, then finally verification. Okay. So we have one surprise here. I will see in the output panel what is the result. Okay. Yeah, we can see that 2.5 is equal to 2.5. BDD execution started and 2.5 is equal to 2.5. Okay, let's validate the final output summary from the bots. Yes, you can see after manipulating these four values, bot has been returned the result 2.5, which means this actual result come from the bot output. Then this is for our validation purpose. This is a predefined value. Okay. So both are equal. Okay. So our process get verified successfully, which means the newly added logic into the existing code, which is working perfectly. We will do one more round of testing. Okay. So same value, I'm not going to change anything. Okay. I'm going to put wrong value. 2.5 is the actual calculated value. I'm going to put 3.5. Okay. I will remove this value. Now we'll check whether our test script will get passed or failed. Just close the file. Yeah, I'm going to run this job again. You can see, it's getting a resume, which means process is executing in orchestrator. You can see, yeah, execution also completed. Again, I'm going to put resume. Okay, any guesses? Yeah, execution has to be completed. Okay, you can see that 2.5 is equal to 3.5, which means these both value is not equal. We can see with the highlight in the red color mark, right? Which means this validation getting failed. I haven't added any logs. Directly this verify expression with the operator printing the output in the output panel. Even if we will validate one more time here, the test input data. Yes, actual result is 2.5, expected result is 3.5. Now you can see these guys like so this is a very important things when you're going to work with the any real-time project. Is there any new enhancements, CRs? We don't want to worry about that for the testing point of view. We instead of taking risk in UAT and production environment, we can create the synthetic data with the help of UiPath data-driven testing. Then with the help of BDD template, we can demonstrate the end-to-end testing, right? So this will be huge impact in automation testing field.
Kindly go through this video. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye.